Paper 1 said in the triangle below, BE is parallel to CD. Okay. They say BE is parallel to what? CD. Okay. These two are what? Are parallel. Okay. BE and CD are parallel. Are we together, guys? Then they are saying AB. From A to B is 2 centimeters. Okay? From A to B is what? 2 centimeters. Okay? Then BC is 3 centimeters. From B to C is what? 3 centimeters. So AB 2 centimeters. BC is what? 3 centimeters. Are we together? Yes. Then this question is saying write the ratio BE to CD. Okay, BE to what? CD. In its lowest what? 10. Are we together? So they want us to find the ratio BE to what? CD in its lowest what? Terms. Okay? So what you're going to do is, remember what I told you. First and foremost, before you handle any question pertaining to similarities and congruency, step number 1, you're supposed to come up with 2 triangles, a small one and a big one. So, we have our small one like this. Take note. This is our small triangle. Are we together? Yes. And then this is our A, this is our B, and this is our E. Are we together? Yes. Then we have this big one. So a big one is like this. Okay? And this is C, this is what? D. And this is A. Okay? Now, in this small one, this is our small one, right? This is our small triangle. Take note, this one. Are we together? Yes. So from A to B, this is 2. Then from A to C, it's 2 plus, which is what? Which is it? 5 centimeters. Are we doing? 5 centimeters. Okay? So we know that ratios of corresponding sides are equal. Ratios of corresponding sides are equal. So BE to CD. Okay? BE to what? CD. So we're going to get a pair of what? Corresponding what? Sides. So now, BE is from a small line. So this is small. Take note, this is small. And this is what? Big. So first we're going to identify a small side which we have. So what do we have? We have AB. So AB to a big one is what? AC. AC. So in this case, you can just say, what is our AB? AB is 2. AB is 2. 2. This one is what? This one is what? 5. So 2 to 5. Or if you want, you can reduce it and say, this is our answer. Or you can say, since we have 2 to 5, you can say over 2 over 2. Okay? 2 into 2 is what? 1. Then 2 into 5 is what? It's 2. Then you're going to have remainder what? 1. Then you put a point, then you got the 0. 2 into 10 is what? 5. So the answer is 2 to 5 or 1 to 2.5. Okay. Let's move on. Don't say 2 to 3. Then you're not serious. I heard some of you, a number of you are saying 2 to 3, don't you? Okay? Then you're not following the rules. Let us look at 2021. The following diagram shows 2 similar triangles. So these triangles are P, Q, R, and PST. Are we together? So we have a small one and a big one. The big one. So this is our small triangle. We have our small triangle. Our small triangle. This is P. This is S. This is T. These are parallel. So 3 centimeters. Okay? Then we also can be quiet. We have a big one. Then we also have a big one, right? Okay, this is a big one, right? So these are parallel, right? This is R. Then you have what? Q. Then this one is what? P. Very good. Okay? And then this is 8. Is it okay? And this is 8 centimeters. And this is what? 12 centimeters. Okay. Then the question is saying find the ratio PT. PT to what? P. How it will? PT to what? PR. So we can use this and say, since we want P, T to P, R. So what we are going to do is, you know that the ratios of corresponding sides are what? Are equal. And you know that PT, this is from a small one, right? It's a small one, right? So this one is from a small triangle, this one from a big one. So PT, PT we don't have, but PR we have it's what? 8. So we're going to use what we have, right? We're going to use another pair of sides which we have, right? Yes. So we can use this one, right? We're going to use what? TS. So it's equal to TS to what? R what? R Q. Are we together? So what is TS? 3. RQ 12. But they're saying in this low scale. Right? Yes. So you can say over what? Over 3 over 3. So 3 into 3 is what? 1. Then 3 into 12 is what? 4. So this is the answer. Or alternatively, you can first find PT. Right? You can find PT. Right? So we're going to say, how do you find PT? What is one? Right? So it's a P, T, over. Now, PT, which side is a corresponding side of what? PT. Okay? It's what? P what? Right? So P, PT, and what? PR are corresponding, right? These pairs. Okay? So it's over what? P what? PR is equal to, we can also get this one, PS, right? So TS, T what? TS over RQ, very good. Over what? RQ. How do you do that? So you maintain, you have PT. PT you don't have. So PT you don't have. So it's a P, PT you maintain. Over what is PR? PR is what? 8. Is equal to TS 3. So 3 over RQ 2. What? 12. Are we together? Is it okay? Then we can now cross multiply this and this times by that time. So PT times 12 get what? 12. 12 P what? PT is equal to 8 times this what? 20. 24 together. Then for us to make with PT, divide both sides by 12. Inside by 12. These are going to go. PT is equal to 12 into 2 are 24 to 2 centimeters. So we're saying this one is what? 2 centimeters, right? 2 centimeters. Now, what do we want? We want the ratio. They said what? They said P what? PT to what? To what? PT to what? To PR, right? PT to PR. PT to PR. So what is our PT? We're saying it's 2. PR is what? PR is what? 8. Then for us to reduce this, we say over what? Over 2 over what? 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 8 what? 4. This one, 9 is what we have, right? Okay. Now the last question, which is a question on angles. It's saying in the diagram below, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, okay? AB is parallel to what? CD. These two lines are parallel. Then, to these two parallel lines, we have a transversal what? Line. Okay? We have this transversal, which is what? QB. Okay, this is our transversal what? Line. Are we together? Yes. So, it's saying, find angle EQB. They want us to find angle what? EQB. Given that angle DPF, why is D guys? We have D. DP, so it's not supposed to be defined. If DPF is what? 185. DPF, this angle is what? 185. Are we together? So now, they want us to find angle EQB. Okay? EQB. EQB. Why is E? EQB, this angle. This is the angle they want us to find. Are we together? This is the angle they want us to what? To find. Are we together, guys? Yes. So what we're going to do is, first and foremost, we're going to find this angle. Since we have this is 185, we're going to find this angle. Okay? By using a property which says angles formed on a straight line, add up to. Because this line EQPF, it's a what? Straight line. And angles formed on a straight line add up to 180. Is it okay? So let's find this angle. So this angle we're going to say 180 degrees minus what? 185. Are we together? So 180 minus 185 get what? 45. So this angle is what? 45. Are we together? Yes. Now, since we know that these two lines are parallel, we know that there is a property which states if two lines cut a transversal line, alternate angles are what? Are equal. Even corresponding angles are what? Are equal. So which ones are alternate angles? This one and this one. These two are alternate what? Angles. They are equal. Are we together? So if this is 45, this one also becomes what? 45. Are we together? Yes. Then there is a property which says vertically opposite angles are what? Equal. Okay? So if this is 45, this one is also what? 45. Vertically opposite angles are what? Equal. 45, 45. Are we together? Yes. We can even find other angles. So even these two are vertically opposite, right? Yes. If this is 135, this one becomes what? 130. 185. Are we together? Yes. Vertically opposite angles are what? Equal. If this is 45, it becomes what? 40. 45. Are we together? Yes. Okay? Then we are saying corresponding angles are what? Are equal as well. Okay? Corresponding. So this angle is 135. If this angle is also what? 135. It's also 130. 135. 40 vertically opposite angles are what? Equal. Are equal. Together, this one becomes what? 180, 185. Are we moving together? Yes. Okay? Now what do you want? Find angle EQB. Where is E? EQB. The one is away. So EQB, just say EQB is equal to 45 degrees. Okay? As simple as that.